In this video lesson, we will continue working with the images that we created in the previous videos where we replaced the background of a subject image. So to begin, you will want to open one of the first images created using this technique, and this would be the technique that we're calling method 1, where we opened a background image and then we brought in our subject image and layered that right on top of the background. And then we erased the background of our subject image. In this case, the subject image is the cat. So to continue from this point, go ahead and get that accomplished. Make sure the image you have has a background and one layer on top. So to give you an overview of where we're headed, I've got 4 different images here to show the steps that we will go through to accomplish this. And so the first one was to open up this image here, and that's what we have, the original from that first method that we used, erasing through the subject image. And then what we will do is add a color frame, but this time just a partial frame. And so this goes back to previous lessons where we used the crop tool to increase frame space and then added a text layer. So now you'll note that I have my background, our subject layer, and then we have a text layer. And we want to use the text layer to describe that which we have done in order to create the particular image. In this case, we're changing the background using the eraser tool. The next step will be to flatten the image, and notice that all 3 layers have now become a new background that includes all the work that we did, but now it's one flat image. It's a new background that could be used in other projects. And then the final step we'll do today is we could now crop the image. And if we wanted to take it to a 5th step, we could go ahead and put a new frame around this image. And that will conclude this introduction to modifying the background and including additional frame space, text layer, and cropping, and perhaps adding a new frame.